few things. So first, I want to thank Linda, Don, Hal, Manuel, Julie, Anna, Marco, Martine, etc., everyone at Hal's for allowing this. For allowing me this bit of self-indulgence. So about a month or so ago, 6 friends and I who grew up together got together. And some of us have known each other since nursery school. And even though we have not all been together for some 20 years, it was like yesterday. And I always thought that these kinds of friendships were a given in life. But they're not. I may not have much, but I do have an incredible group of friends. So this is an excuse to meld everyone from various groups in one spot, and I think it worked out okay. So, thank you all for coming, but I've got a couple of bones to pick. Robbie, where is my charcoal of the cat? Okay, Ed, Moses, Lakari, Andy, Michael McMillan, etc. Where are my birthday canvases? And Michael Austin's not here. It's obviously off the hook. Ed and Pat, I'm looking for my smart car. And it's a joke if anyone knows in the neighborhood. And Gretchen, who several years ago took it upon herself to have to get a group of friends together who all contributed and bought me a Palm Pilot. So I thought this year I'd see a new Prius sitting outside house. Obviously, the hints I dropped did not work. But it's okay. It's okay. I think I can get another 100,000 miles out of the wagon. So I just want to toast to all my friends. I hope you get that. Go ahead, Jen.
Is it okay if I make a toast?
Sure. Oh, there's one more thing. The cake is actually left over from some friends' kids' bat mitzvah last night.
Do you want to blow them out and make a wish?
Wait, almost. Oh.
Blow them out, make a wish. So
okay,
hi
Jenny.
Everybody, I'm Jenny.
I've been sober for.
I have to say this idea was conceived at the Hamiltons, so they're equally involved. Without Gretchen and George, this never could have also taken place. But we wanted to get you something special, and you said no gifts, right? You said no gifts, but you didn't say no gifts.
There you go.
From your devoted peeps, man, your devoted peeps.
Do I have to open it?
Yeah?
Okay.
Wait.
Oh my God. Wagon for sale, really cheap.
Will you take me out now?
Unbelievable. It's not a Prius?
Scion.
Never. Oh my God.
Alan, you can drive 10 feet and we're stopping you. I've seen you drink, so that might be about it.
Alan, is that the best birthday present you've ever had?
That's 20 years of friendship.
That was now what are you going to do?
I don't know. I'm going to give you the other car.
Okay.
Do you know about this? Do you know about this?
Everybody is done.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Happy birthday.
Alan, it came with the chick magnet.
Woohoo!
All right, Ed, we're going to cruise. It's great. Jenny! I am. I can't.
It's so great. Raising it, Alan.
That's what I'm using it for. Armrests, everything. Unbelievable. Only time. Yes! Okay, good. I got it. Unbelievable. You know about this? Oh, sure. All right, look back, Alan.
Alan, everybody's ready.
Hey, you got your first.
Your blinker guy.
Your first pass.
You get there 50 years ago. You get to sit there. Right? Yeah, that's right. You're 50 years ago.
I know. I gotta get out. Do you believe this? Gladys, do you believe this?